vlog, guys. Today I'm going to be using this little mini chainsaw. It's a 24 volt, and I'm not even sure what the brand is, but we're going to be testing it out. I'll put that safety on. Okay, it's alright. I could see where Loppers would do a better job, but this is probably come in handy for tough to reach places. Let's do another one. Alright, I think I'm going to be using my Loppers instead, but it's pretty handy to have. And again, I'm not sure about the brand, but I'll look it up. This is something that I borrowed.